Grab a disposable mask, like this one, and a pair of scissors. Cut it right down the middle. Now, take one of those halves and open it up. You'll notice it starts to look like a tiny pouch, exactly what we need. Next, grab some salt and add 2 tablespoons into your little pouch. Now for the magic touch, toss in a few cloves, around 3 or 4, to really boost its power. To seal it up, take a rubber band and tie it tightly around the open end. Make sure it's secure so nothing spills out. That's it. Excess moisture in your home can create all kinds of issues. Damp closets, musty drawers, and even moldy spaces can lead to skin problems, breathing issues, and make allergies worse. What you just created is a natural DIY moisture absorber. It's perfect for placing in closets, drawers, or any space that gets damp or humid. It doesn't just soak up moisture, it also freshens the air with a gentle, refreshing scent from the cloves.